Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've switched the background up. My dogs totally have a fit when I'm in here filming, so I have made room for them to come in and do their thing. That is my daughter's dog, so she's just going to chill back there. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box. If you don't know what the Allure Beauty Box is, it's a $15 a month beauty subscription. And so far I have loved this box. Everything we've got in it I have very much used and liked. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It says hashtag Allure Beauty Box. You get a small tiny magazine every month. It gives you tips and tricks and what to use or how to use your products that you received, and tells you the prices for the full size. Now, last month's bag was black, and I know January's bag was red, although I missed January's bag. And March's bag is white. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. It is pretty full this month, as you can tell. So let's just start. The first thing I'm pulling out is a sheet mask. This is a botanical fiber facial mask. Hashtag stay gorgeous. Hydrates and nourishes with vitamin E and almond oil. And that is what that mask looks like. Now this was a variant. You could get this mask, or one of two of this kind of mask, or you could get the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. This is a $3.99 facial mask, so that'll be nice. I will stick that with the other ones and use that accordingly. This is paraben-free, gluten-free, and no GMOs, and it's by BioBell. So that is our first product. The next thing I'm pulling out is a Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. That is what that looks like. And that is what that looks like outside the bottle. Now they show a different bottle than I received in here, if you can see that. So I'm a little scared of that. There's nothing on the bottle, no writing, no anything. It is a roller ball. And it smells like a cleaning oil. So there are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. Use it after a retinol at night, on dry spots, before makeup, even on the ends of hair. It is $12.99 for 1 fluid ounce. There is a promo code. If you enter Allure19 at checkout, you will receive 25% off of your order. That is valid from March 1st through May 1st of 2019. So they are saying that this is a soothing night oil. And as y'all know, I don't use many oils on my face, so I'm trying to get better about it. But it's a slow process, but I'll get there. The next thing I'm pulling out is a Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb. That is what that looks like. It looks rather large, but it is deceiving, as you can tell. That is what it looks like when you open it. It's like a blue fluid cream. There's not really much smell to that. It says Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb. The price of this for full size is $38, and you can get this at Sephora. Okay, the next thing we're pulling out is Tarte Tardiest Quick Dry Matte Lipstick, and I got the color OG. And this was a variation also. This is $20 for full size. You can buy it at Tarte.com. And if you enter Tarte Allure at checkout, you can receive 20% off of your purchase. It does exclude the Shape Tape Concealer, the Shape Tape Concealer Set, and Vault products. It is valid from March 1st through May 1st of 2019. So let's open this up and see what the color looks like. And that's what it looks like outside of the box. I do think this is full size. And there is that color. It is a nice pinky nude color. And it does dry down matte, so that'll be good. The next thing we have in here is from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. This is Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel. Okay, that is not what it says in there. In here it says Gel Cleanser, and on here it says Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. The full size price is $28, and you can get this at juicebeauty.com. And I can't really read what it says to you because this is for a totally different product. And that is the only one in there. So we'll just leave that as in the air and we don't know. The next thing in here is the Mamad Rose Toner Water. That is what that looks like. Now I know last month we got the Petal Spa Oil to Foam by the same company. So this is the toner that goes along with that. And as you can see, I've used some of this. I really do like it. I love the smell of it. So this says the full price is $23. You can buy it at mamode.com. If you enter Mamode20 at checkout, you will receive 20% off your purchase. And it is valid from March 1st through March 30th of 2019. Let's see if it smells like rose. Yes, it does. So, that'll be nice. And then the last thing in here is by Au Naturel. This is a cream multi-stick. And it is cream multi-stick and grapefruit. So this is like a colored cream blush. I don't use liquid blush or highlighting or anything like that. So this will go in the giveaway. This is the packaging. It is very nice packaging. And I don't smell grapefruit. But this is what it looks like inside the tube. And like I said, I'm going to put this in the giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it. This does appear to be full size, and this retails for $35. And if you enter Allure 19 at checkout, you will receive 30% off your order. And this is valid from February 1st through May 31st, 2019. And you can buy this at allnaturalcosmetics.com. So, just right off the bat, we're going to put this in the giveaway tote. Because like I said, I do not wear liquids. And so the lipstick did dry down matte, which is nice. Okay, so minus the one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in our Allure this month. Still a little concerned about that oil. So there's the products minus the cream stick, which will now go in the giveaway. And that giveaway is still going. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will do the giveaway. So tell your friends, family. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Share my video. Possibly subscribe. I hope everybody can see with the new background and that it's not too much. It just, I got tired of the old one, the same in, same out. So my son has moved out and I have now turned his room into partial beauty room and then partial workout. So we got the room cut in half. I did repaint it. I did some splatter paint on the wall. And then I filled it with all my girly stuff. So I hope you enjoyed my video. And like I said, please subscribe. And until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.